What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can get a refund or dispute a transaction on the Revolut app. So let's get started. Now first off, once you open up your Revolut app, to get a refund for a certain transaction, you would just need to tap in the upper left corner onto your profile icon, then go ahead and select the help option right here. Now select the first option which says dispute a transaction. From there, you would need to select a transaction which you want to dispute. So let's say that I want to dispute this ElevenLabs one. Then to get a refund for the transaction, you would need to select one of these three that makes sense for your situation. So I will select I want to dispute this transaction right here. And here, just go ahead and tap on raise a dispute text right here. Now, first off, you would need to upload a proof of purchase, so this can be just a confirmation email, receipt, or something like that. After you uploaded the proof of purchase, you can go ahead and tap on continue. Then you would just need to provide some extra context or information about the purchase that you're trying to refund. After inputting the receipt ID or anything that can be connected to the purchase and your reason, you can go ahead and tap on continue. Now you would need to select what actually went wrong with the purchase, so you have a few options right here, and you can just select whichever one of these makes sense in your scenario. Now if this is a subscription-based service, you will get this question, so I will just select yes. Then you would just need to upload a proof that you actually canceled the subscription. And after uploading the proof, you can go ahead and tap on continue. Now you would need to provide a cancellation reason and the actual date on which this service was cancelled. After that, just go ahead and tap on continue. And here is the actual detailed description that will go to a support representative. So be sure to list everything that you want right here in this box that a person will read to help you with your refund. And you can also upload some additional pictures. Now after you did all that, go ahead and tap on continue once more. So this is the last step, and here you would just need to scroll down and tap on this submit button once it appears. Once you submit a refund notice, you will get an email from Revolut, and then a support representative will take from there. Now from my past experience, this whole process usually takes about 3 to 4 business days. So essentially, that's guys how you can get a refund on the Revolut app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.